Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Hiya health or Hiya multivitamin Hiya vitamin subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there is only two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first method, you need to visit on their official website, and the second method, you need to make a request. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about each and everything how you can cancel your subscription on here. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, this is the best and the easy way, because here health is not providing you direct link by which you can cancel your account. Okay, you need to make some efforts for online cancellation, but this method is very easy. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen, or you can compose the same kind of email by using ChatGPT. In the email you need to provide your name, your registered email ID, your reason of cancellation, and the subject should be Hiya vitamin subscription cancellation. Okay, and once you done all the thing, once you compose this email, you can send the email at their email address. The email address you can also get on their official website, and this is also the email like support@hiyahealth.com. Okay, so make sure in the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation. When you ask a proof of cancellation, they will provide you a confirmation email related to your subscription cancellation, and once you get your proof of cancellation, then it means your subscription is cancelled. If you don't get any kind of reply from their side, it means your subscription is active. Okay, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support team, and then they will tell you the status of your subscription, and by using this way you can only cancel your Hiya health supplement subscription. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And if we talk about like the second method is a little bit tricky. Only you can cancel when the order is delivered. You will get an email. In the email there is a link. You need to follow the links, and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you can cancel your upcoming deliveries. But make sure before cancellation you need to provide at least 3 to 4 days notice period. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and you can search their email. Their email is also available on the internet. When you search how to cancel Hiya health supplement, the same email the Google will provide you. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. So bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.